Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look today at a 2026 Imagine 3100 RD. This has been my favorite camper for my entire time here now, going on year 7, and I just love this floor plan. It's great for couples, has extra sleeping space if you do have company come along. It's just a little over 8,000 pounds, so it can be towed, but certainly has the right size and space and layout to set up on a seasonal lot for long-term camping. Let's take a look at some of the outside features. You've got a full-size awning on this one. You've got the awning saddle there in the middle to support that when you're traveling. ABS brakes on the unit too, so if you are traveling. You also got the CRE 3000 suspension system here. Tire link pressure monitoring system is available for this unit. It's already pre-plumbed and ready to go. So if you are traveling, you've got lots of options to keep yourself safe and aware on the road. One of the new features here, they've got slide topper prep. So if you want to add slide toppers to this unit, the prep's already on the unit, so it just makes it a little bit more convenient for you. Step above steps on the outside. Big pass-through storage here too. If you look at that, this is a drop frame. So with the drop frame construction in the Imagine line and the full-size Imagines, you're going to get a little more space in the front. You're also going to get a cavity throughout the bottom of the basement per se, to have a little bit of heat in your undercarriage to keep your tanks and whatnot warm. Go ahead inside and take a look at some of the features of the unit. Right away you see solid state countertops. You've got a little counter extension here. Your countertops are solid. You've got the convertible table here. So right now it's set up for 2 people. It does come with a couple of bench stools, so you can flip this table around, just sort of invert the way it's orientated, and you can sit 4 people there as well, which gives you a nice clean floor access here if you are just 2 people camping. Your kitchen layout's perfect in this unit. You've got the 12-volt fridge, all kinds of storage, 3-burner cooktop, GE profile oven, great pantry space over there to the left, microwave right above, and some counter space. Soft close cabinet doors, so as you can see here, nice and easy on your closures. Over here you've got your sink with the high-rise faucet, storage over top, great storage below, and again with that counter extension you've got all kinds of room for prep. Heading into the really my favorite part of the coach all along, you've got a living room that travels with you. You've got opposing couches in the slides, nice big entertainment center here that's backlit, full-size fireplace. Both of these couches will pull out to create extra sleeping space if you do need it. This is going to be where you're going to spend most of your time, though. You're going to have the nice entertainment seats comfortably located directly across from the TV. My favorite feature on the Imagines this year is the day-night shade. So those are integrated into the windows themselves. You can see on the right here, you've got the day shade on. On the left, you've got the night shade on. So it just gives you that option, depending on what kind of mood you're looking to set. Or you can just separate them and have them wide open. Nice big windows here above the couch on either side, and wraparound windows in the slide out here. And of course the big panoramic window right above the dinette. As we head towards the washroom area, just up the hallway here, you can see another big window here to brighten things up. You've got the good sized bathroom here with the linen storage area, medicine cabinet, storage below, high-rise matte black finish to the faucet and sink, soft closed porcelain toilet, more storage here, and a fully lined shower with a skylight for that extra height that you may need. Of course, this unit does come equipped with an on-demand water system, so you can get your hot water running at the temperature that you want and not have it in a holding tank. In your main bedroom area, you've got the blue-white lights above. Those are mounted in the padded headboard. You've got storage space on either side with both USB and standard plugs. Shirt closets on either side. Unit is prepped for WineGuard or Starlink internet if you wanted to add that for your traveling. And you've also got a full wardrobe in here as well. 2 more spots to hang a few things and a couple big drawers. Folks, this has been a quick look at my absolute favorite camper. This is an Imagine 3100 RD here on the lot at Leisure Time Sales in Quispam. Come on and see us, folks. All kinds of great new arrivals, both new from factory and pre-owned. Trades coming in off the campgrounds as they open up. Gives you all kinds of different options to get yourself out camping. This has been Jason at Leisure Time Sales, reminding you that from the showroom to the campground, I've got you covered.